How to build a PC as a rookie, part 5? We get to add in this beautiful baby right here. That's our power box.
And honestly, I didn't want to bore you guys with the details of taking out a box, plugging in all the wires, putting it into place, drilling it together. Honestly, it was super simple, super easy, but I was more excited about getting it prepped up for the AIO, which I put in the same video, which you guys are going to see in a second.
Oh, it's part 5. Next part is going to be the AIO. This is one of my favorite parts. I've been waiting to do this one. And now we have attached the fans to the AIO. Install this wire. Take this and run the wires through and be able to put it up. Tap these screws in real quick. Clean up these wires, just like so. Lay it down flat. Unscrew these. Screw these in. Put this bracket on. Put our thumbtacks. And finally, I got all of the wires connected. That took me forever as well, but I finally got it. And we are now done with episode 5. You'll see me next time on episode 6.